All right, we're ready to start. So, good morning to everyone, and welcome to the second Data Science and Python workshop for North and South America. We will kick off the workshop with a short session with some practical information and introduction talk from our regional manager in the Americas. My name is Rene Pedersen, and I will be the facilitator of the workshop today. This is the first time that we are hosting a GoToWebinar from Houston, so hopefully we'll not have too many technical issues. We have around 70 participants listening in from mainly North and South America, and this relatively large number of participants reflects the huge interest in data science. We have several data science and Python initiatives going on in our different business segments in Cegal, and today we will have presentations from our consulting segment, from our commercial software segment, and from our R&D department. In Cegal, we are creating value by bringing machine learning and artificial intelligence to the end user in several ways. And today we'll see a few examples. First, we will have an introduction to the Cegal Data Science Workbench presented by our principal advisor in digitalization and innovation. Then we will see a workflow example working with Python scripting towards Petrel from our commercial Python Tool Pro product owner. After a short break, our digitalization group will present machine learning classification of seismic interpretation data. And finally, we'll see an R&D project from our software development group in the UK about generating Python QC reporting against Petrel. The presentations will last 20 to 30 minutes, and the presentations will start on time as scheduled in the agenda. If you have questions to the different presentations, you can ask them during the presentation using the GoToWebinar chat window. Oops, sorry. And we'll try to answer questions after the presentations. After the workshop, you will all receive an email with a link to recordings of the presentations. And that was my part of the introduction, and now I'll give the word to Pat Cauley, who is the Cegal Regional Manager for North and South America.
All right, thank you, Rene, and welcome to all of you who have taken the time to attend this webinar. As mentioned, we have roughly around 70 participants located in the Western Hemisphere, both North and South America. This webinar is not only relevant because of data science and Python opportunities, it's relevant for the time that we live in. Rapid changes, working conditions, and work balance are driving the demand for thinking differently. On top of this, we have COVID-19 and an up and down market, which has accelerated a digital-first way of working in an unprecedented speed. According to a study by Twilio, the pandemic in an unknown market has actually sped up digital transformation by almost 5.5 years. So data science, as defined, is extracting knowledge and insight from structured and unstructured data. IT starts with gathering all the relevant data from different sources, clean it, structure it, and transfer it to understandable formats. Statistical methods and algorithms are used to find patterns and trends. Then models are programmed to make the data ready for interpretation. The goal is to make predictions and decisions based on the available data and to help the business to succeed and stay relevant and competitive in the future. Human intelligence combined with technology helps a business extract greater value from data. This is very, very relevant for the time we live in and is fueled by megatrends like Internet of Things, big data, cloud computing, and so on. However, in my opinion, in succeeding with data science or within data science, it's all about the people with the right skills, attitude, and courage. So at Cegal, we believe that success comes from committed, motivated, and knowledgeable people working together as a team. Technology plays an important role in what we try to achieve. With our solution, we are solving three essential success factors. One, collaboration. Individuals working together to solve problems across departments, functions, and borders is essential for the business. In Cegal, we are gathering all users and data in a centralized, secured environment, equipped with the necessary processing power and tools that you need in a data scientist workflow. We are giving access to an integrated knowledge platform that is the foundation for digitalization and are giving you the power necessary for making the data ready for interpretation. Sharing. You can work faster and smarter as you have more data and information across application processes and departments. In Cegal, we are providing you with capability, tools, and integration to share data across multiple data and cloud platforms. Cegal's role is to be the agnostic integrator, giving you the best solutions available for succeeding in your business. Knowledge, it boosts the efficiency of an organization's decision-making ability. It's the glue that sticks the data together and provides the foundation for interpretation and analytics. At Cegal, we are providing tools, processing power, and domain knowledge to support the business intelligence and analytic capabilities. These are the three important elements in succeeding with business and data science. There's a lot of data and there's a lot of technology available. As I said in the beginning, the most important is the people with the right skills, attitude, and courage, working together and relating to each other. I want to thank everyone again for being here today, this morning and afternoon, and you all have a great webinar. Thank you.